Hey YouTubers, Bat Hog here, back at last on the channel. I know I've been away for a while, but the reason is I've been distracted by this DJI Mini 3 drone, and I've been using it with my pals to go visit and film castles all over the country. But I thought I'd come out this afternoon, as it's nice weather, to do a bit of flight practice. There's some of the special modes on this drone that I haven't tried yet, so I thought I'd give them a go. So this is flight number 1. I'm going to try the active track, and I'm going to try the parallel motion one. So here goes. Okay, I've got an ND filter on, but I'm still using the automatic exposure for this event. Filming at 4K, 30 frames a second. As it stands, I've got no EV adjustment, so this is pretty much as it is. Right, let's go up a bit and see what we can see. It's a lovely day for October. Switch to cine mode, and I've got the gimbal rates switched right down, so I can do a nice smooth 360 pan. I'm not actually recording on the SD card yet. I'll do that when I come to test the special features. It's the other half of the park. Very nice. Okay. Alright, I think we're ready to go. I'm going to just march on over here then. Doesn't seem to be having any problem with that. Don't usually need this trick for filming castles, they don't tend to move a lot. Not if I change direction. That's quite nice. Now back that way. And back over here. yes. No problem with that at all. Okay. Right, the next shot I wanted to try was a spotlight with me walking almost underneath the drone. See it turn round. Let's try that. Okay, I think that's got me already. So the drone's staying still, it's just tracking me wherever I go. Cool. I'll walk around the goalpost, see if it loses me. Nope. Pretty good. Right, shot 3. I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to move the drone this time. See if it can keep me in the centre. Here we go. This is probably the best mode for filming castles. Right over my head, see what happens. It actually stops. Oh, that's nice. Has it lost me? Yep, things lost me now. Still locked onto something. I'll stop that. That was a bit dubious towards the end there. Kind of lost me. Hope he's not coming for me. Never sell ice cream at that speed. Okay, let's try that. It even knows it's a person. Okay. One thing you have to know is the spotlight engages as soon as you've put a box around the object. You do have to be careful flying sideways. Oh, nice. Yeah, the spotlight seems to be a really good mode. I'll cancel that now. I'll have a go at the active track, but actually following me. I'm in the middle of the shot. Okay, draw a box around me. Go for active track and trace. Okay. So again, I'll go through the goals. It should be well high enough to go overhead. Yay! So whatever direction I seem to go, it seems to get right behind me and follow. Go straight along one of these lines. Yep, pretty good. Let's go along this line. Yeah, it's pretty good, that. Super. That works really well. Okay. I think for the rest of the battery, I think I'll just try a bit of low level stuff. See if I can get a bit of motion blur. Because I've got the ND filter on, I should change it to sport mode. Just get these white lines. Okay. Cool. Didn't have long with the battery in sports mode. Let's see how accurate it is to land. Looks quite close. Oh, not bad on the pad. Within about 150 mil of the centre. That's not bad at all. That's not bad at all.